President Trump has offered the way out for Putin from this war, to have a ceasefire at least. But what we don't see is actually the ceasefire. Last night was crazy again in Ukraine against the civil people, and so it is pretty obvious that Putin doesn't want to have any kind of peace.
If there will be no just peace, it will be that there will be no justice in Europe. Our borders will be withdrawn, aggression will repeat itself, and aggressor will be paid for what he did in the way that he wanted more territories, wanted more political power and sphere of influence. If there will be no long-lasting peace, it means that Europe has to prepare for a much larger war to come to our borders.
Right now, it is very, very important that we stand behind Ukraine. I think everybody can see that our American friends, they are in a position where they will decide probably very soon whether they will walk away from this or not. And if so, we have to ensure that it will be a soft walk away. And one way to ensure that is to send a very, very clear and strong message from this meeting